Hello friends, I am Dr. Kapil Patil, Assistant Professor, Department of Zoology. In a present video, we are going to study silent feature of protochordata. Protochordata, it also considered as a lower chordata or acraniata, head absent, cranium absent. So it not classified a true chordata because it's not having a backbone and head like other vertebrates. But in this case, a larva carry a notochord. Then these protochordata having a three subphylum, two subphylum, Urochordata and Cephalochordata. Another one Hemichordata in an earlier stage, in earlier time, these are belongs into the phylum Chordata, but now it is a consider a separate phylum under a non-chordata. So Urochordata, best example Herdmania is there. Then Cephalochordata, Amphioxus is there. Then in a Hemichordata, Balanoglossus is and another example is also mentioned in a present slide. So see the silent features of phylum Protochordata. In this case, these Protochordata they are found in a marine water. Generally, this animal is a small in size, bilateral, symmetrical, as well as lack of head, triploblastic. Their body is made by three germ layer, ectoderm, endoderm, and mesoderm. Coelom is also present, as well as in this animal, vertebral column, jaw, appendages are absent, but notochord present. So that are belongs into the phylum Protochordata. In other vertebrates, in higher vertebrates, vertebral column, jaw is generally present. This animal is a ciliary feeders, as well as in this animal, true heart and kidneys are absent. Then in this animal, sexes generally separate. In some, they are united. Then another thing is that when you see the subphylum of subphylum Urochordata. Urochordata, it's a Greek word. Euro means tail, chordata means cord. In this animal, notochord present in a tail region. So their name is a Urochordata. Notochord present at the tail region. Example, Herdmania is there. So see the characteristics of Herdmania. Notochord found only in a larval tail region, first characters, hence name as a Urochordata. Then this animal commonly known as a sea squid as well as tunicate. Tunicates, their meaning is that sac covering to the body. Then these animals generally distributed in a polar seas, Arctic to Antarctic Ocean. This animal is a free living solitary. After a free living, this animal attach in a group form. They are spend a sedentary lives. Then their tunicate or taste is made by cellulose like materials. Their size, microscopic size as well as big in size. Totally 2000 known species of this Urochordata, as well as their reproduction is a sexual type as well as asexual type also. Then this animal is also a ciliary feeder. Ciliary feeder means it feeds a natural microscopic animals by the action of cilia. Then in this animal no coelom is there, circulatory system is open type, their internal organs directly contact with the blood. This animal showing a special character, that character we can say hermaphrodite. Hermaphrodite Hermaphrodite means produce both male and female gametes. Then these animals also shows a pediogenesis. Pediogenesis means we can say pediogenesis means we can say sexually mature in larval forms. That concept is called as pediogenesis. So Urochordata showing a pediogenesis, sexually mature larval forms, and their metamorphosis. Their metamorphosis is a retrogressive. Retrogressive metamorphosis means disappear or degenerate a develop advanced character like notochord, nerve cord, and tail. In this animal, notochord, nerve cord, and tail disappear, degenerate in a adult form. So that character, that concept is called as retrogressive metamorphosis. Then The highlights in this subphylum is that notochord found only in a larval stage. Example, Herdmania sulfa is there. Okay. This is a diagrammatic representation of Urochordata. So two opening is there, anterior and side branchial aperture is there. In dorsal side, atrial aperture is also there. Their body is covered by a sac-like structure that is called as, we can say, a taste. Taste is there. Then ventral side foot is also there. So these are the structure of Herdmania. See the another subphylum, Cephalochordata. Cephalochordata, in this case, notochord along with entire body length. In previous subphylum, notochord present at a tail region, but in this case, their notochord along with entire body. Cephalochordata characters in the larval as well as adult stage are same. Okay. So well-known example is Amphioxus. Amphioxus is a fish-like animals, marine and fish-like marine animals. It considered as a first phylum of chordata. Okay. So their pharynx is a numerous gill sheet is present. Their epidermis is a single, no endoskeleton present in these animals, as well as body without a scales. These animals are also ciliary feeders, feeding microscopic animals through the action of cilia. Then after that, in these animals, their body, we can say, showing a trunk and tail. Division of body into two parts, trunk and tail. Their alimentary canal is a complete type, means start from mouth and end towards the anus, means two opening present into their alimentary canal. Their respiration, these animals respiration through a body surface also. Then their sexes is a separate, dioecious, circulatory system is a open type, means internal or circulatory system is a closed type. In previous time, open type circulatory system is there. In this type, closed type circulatory system is there, means their circulation through a vessels. Fertilization is the external type. Fertilization having a two types, internal and external. In a internal type, fusion of male and female gametes inside the body, but in external type, fusion of male and female gametes in a medium like a water. So in this case, fusion of male and female gametes outside in a water. When female release the egg, at the same time male eject a millions of sperm and fusion occur outside the body. Such a fertilization occur in the cephalochordata. Gonads. Gonads is a metamerically arranged on a pharynx. I will show in a slide. Then their muscles. Myotomes muscles arranged on a both sides. This also I will show in a picture. Then development is an indirect type of development is there. No exoskeleton found in these animals. Limbs absent. In this animal, limbs absent. Cephalochordata. So first thing is that I want to show the location of notochord is there, as well as gonads. This gonads is present in a metamerically segmented near a pharynx regions. Then another highlighted point is that when you see their muscles, their myotomes muscles arranged on both sides. These are the location of myotomes muscles arranged on both side. Okay, this Amphioxus is also considered as consider ancient ancestor of chordate. It consider ancient ancestor of chordates. Okay, gonads metamerically arranged on a pharynx region. Highlighted point is that in these animals, eyes, nose, jaws, appendages totally absent. No eyes, no jaws, no nose present in these animals. These are the diagram of these animals. Cephalochordata, Amphioxus is the best example. Then hemichordata. Hemichordata, these words means half chordata. These animals showing some characteristics of non-chordate, some characteristics of chordata. In an earlier time, these are belongs into the phylum Chordata. I highlighted here. Then nowadays these animals consider a separate phylum under a non-chordata. This hemichordata, best example is a balanoglosses. These animals, marine, solitary, soft-bodied animals, generally vermiform, unsegmented. Their body is bilateral symmetrical. These animals means right side is a mirror image to the left side. Then this animal is a triploblastic. Their body is made by three germ layer: ectoderm, endoderm, and mesoderm. Their body divisible into three distinct parts. Smallest proboscis is there, a middle collar is there, and largest part trunk is present. I will show in a diagram. Trunk is there. Then proboscis. So highlighted point is that see notochord. In this animal, their notochord present in a proboscis. The buccal diverticulum considered as a notochord. So that is animals belongs into subphylum Hemichordata. Notochord present in a proboscis in a region of buccal diverticulums. Okay, in a Urochordata, their notochord present in a tail region. Circulatory system is a open type. You know very well. Internal organs directly contact with the bloods. Respiration through the gills. These animals respire through the gills, as well as in an excretory system. A single glomerulus located in a proboscis. This proboscis glands also plays important role in a process of excretion. This animal is also a ciliary feeders, means filter the microscopic animal through the cilia. Then gills. Gills is a numerous gill slit present on dorsolateral side in a anterior parts. Reproduction is a sexual types. This animal dioecious, sex is totally separate. Dioecious sexes are separate. And then fertilization is external types. Again, means fusion of male and female gametes inside the water. Best example, frog. Frog is also showing a external type of fertilization. Their development is a indirect development is also found in this hemichordata. These are the figure of hemichordata. So in this hemichordata, I want to show a location of proboscis. These are the location of anterior most part showing a proboscis. Notochord present in this region. Second part is a collar is there, and third one part is a trunk region. These are the elongated part. Trunk region is also there. This is the diagram of balanoglosses, hemichordata. In previous time, it considered in a chordate. Nowadays, these are considered in a non-chordate. Thank you for listening me patiently. Next time we will see a next part.